Good afternoon. It is electrical day. So today I got a Bobcat skid steer. Customer called, said, put a new battery in it and nothing happens. I turned a key on, dash stays blank. Checked all the fuses. There's power everywhere. There's supposed to be power. I don't know what's wrong. So in this case, he was right that the fuses were all good, but power, as it works, comes in one side of a fuse through it and then out the other end down the wire to wherever it needs to go. So in this case, I pulled the fuse box because everything looked good on the front, but the back side's full of corrosion and broken wires. And that's what you don't want to find. Check both sides.